Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video where we're going to be taking you up to Sedona at sunset. We got the tail mounted camera ready to go, and we also have a really cool addition where we're flying the newest autopilot Archer in the UND Aerospace Foundation's fleet, Su-502. I think this plane's got about 20 hours on the hobs, so we're really excited to take it up there, and we hope you enjoy. So sit back, relax, and let's go flying.
Su-502, flight straight out, runway 12 right, cleared for takeoff.
Flight straight out, 12 right, clear for takeoff, Su-502.
So John, how do you like flying here so far?
I like it a lot. I think UND was a great choice for me. I just feel like there's a lot of support. You know, my ground school instructor, my flight instructor. I've had questions and I've just been studying on my own, and a random flight instructor will walk past, and I feel no hesitation to just ask them, you know, whatever I'm curious about or whatever problem I'm stuck on, and they don't hesitate to help me out.
I definitely think we have a great group of flight instructors, very knowledgeable. And, you know, I was in your position before where I went through private pilot and it went so quick.
Yeah.
And, like, it's pretty difficult just because you don't have anything for, you don't have context for the course, I guess. You're just going into aviation brand new.
Yeah, so you're starting essentially from scratch.
Yeah, so, like, when I came into aviation, I did flight simulation for a while. And, like, I was doing everything on my Microsoft Flight Sim and X-Plane, all that kind of stuff. I was like, okay, I know how to get a flight simulator from Boston to LAX. And I was like, okay, I think I'll be able to fly a Piper Archer pretty easy.
Yeah.
Man, I was in a rude awakening, I'll tell you that. And so I understand where you're coming from on that. And then, but I will say, I think once you get past your private and once you get those foundational skills down, it's going to become a lot easier. And as long as you keep the good study habits up, you're gonna be a CFI in no time, man. It's pretty nice when you can just kick back and smooth air across these views right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think this might be my favorite flight I've ever done.